Okay, we're gonna do Play by Bartok. We're gonna do it slow, nice and slow. So this is how I want you to play it, okay? Quieter here. Whoops. Mezzo forte. And then quiet here. And then mezzo louder again. And then piano again. So don't stop it yet. Do you feel like that's too fast or too slow? I think that that's a good tempo. Let's try to keep going. I might go a little slower. Now quiet here. Okay, wait, not yet. I'm still going slow, okay? So this is how I want you to practice it. You can play it with me. Okay? Now, this is piano. And then this is pianissimo, even quieter. And this is back to piano again. And then pianissimo again. And 2 beats. Hold it, hold